Alright guys, this is the last day here at Hilton. Last day. Look, we're gonna wait for here for the service. Bale, dito ako naghihintay sa area ko kasi may darating na magsusundo sa amin going to Panorama. Ayan, ito yung mga Carnival at ayun yung gamit ko. Tapos na ang vacation. Thank you so much Carnival, Panorama, also to Hilton. Okay guys, paalis na kami here at Hilton. Inilagay na namin yung mga bag namin doon. Tapos ito yung mga natira kong voucher. So kinuha ko na lang para simot. So let's go. Ayun na. Sakay na kami. Here we go. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa Long Beach Panorama. Long Beach for sign on. We are proceeding to the ship. Nilagay na namin yung maleta namin. Here we go. That is the ship. The Panorama. Rehuso.
Last name?
Rehuso. Rolly. Here. Okay guys, today is November 16. So this is my sign-on date here at Panorama. And actually I'm from Carnival Conquest for almost 1 month. Then they transfer me here at Panorama for the whole contract. So my contract is until next year. So here we go. This is my ship. Carnival Panorama. This is a big ship. Rather than to Conquest. Mas malaki pa kaysa dun sa Conquest. Here we go, Carnival Panorama! Gonna take a selfie here guys. Okay guys, I'm here in the cabin. May kasama na ako dito. Taneng! Taneng, taneng, taneng. Dito ako sa taas. Okay, here we go. For the 6 months, Lord, kasama kita.